What is the correct way to choose MCCB model? First, we have to check the working voltage of your project. We often use 400 volt MCCB, but some of customers will need 690 volt. Second, we have to check how much operating current do we need. When choosing the model of multi-decade circuit breaker, we usually choose a project frame current that is close to the operating current to reduce purchasing costs, such as 320 amp. We may choose type ARM320 or ARM3 to 250. Third, we have to confirm the installation size of products in the distribution box. If the room is limited, we have to check the real size of MCCB, whether it is right to install. Fourth, we have to make sure whether we need thermomagnetic type, electric type, or the residual current circuit breaker. Fifth, we have to make sure it is 3 poles or 4 poles.